evening after a very busy night last night at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party that we all thoroughly enjoyed. We've all had a lie-in because it was a 2 o'clock finish by the time we're getting into bed, and now we're off to our final day at Universal Studios first. Then we're going to get the Hogwarts Express. Is that right, Lauren?
Yeah.
Hogwarts Express across to Islands of Adventure. But the first stop is the restaurant in Harry Potter Land, which is called
The Leaky Cauldron.
The Leaky Cauldron. Lovely. It's like my yellow shirt. It's very bright, isn't it? Anyway, see you soon. One of the things they always try and do at Universal is push preferred parking. It's $20 for normal parking and it is $40 for preferred parking, and they always push it. It will save you time. It'll save you at 2 minutes. Is it worth double the parking price? Probably not. We never do. So I'll just stick to normal parking unless you've got lots of money. I haven't. I'd rather spend it on Harry Potter's food, which is where I'm going now. Let's catch these escalators and get to the parks. Gotta go through security first though. It is middle of the day, but it just feels quiet, which is a good thing. It's a Saturday, so I thought it would be busy today. But no doubt I'll be wrong. Otherwise, it'll be like 500-minute waits. Actually, no, I've just checked. Rip Ride Rocket, 15 minutes, I'm on it. How can you not fancy a bit of that? A bit of Rip Ride Rocket.
The next day,
For a Saturday, it just feels very quiet here. That's the new Fast and Furious that's going to be opened up. I think it's next year. Yeah, spring next year. Something new. And this is more Fast and Furious. But we're heading to Diagon Alley.
Unless you want to, real quick, check it out.
So let's head in here. So what's going on in here? There's Matthew and Tracy. Where are they going to appear? Oh, there they are. There is Diagon Alley. Which still looks amazing every time I walk down here. Little freezes. We need a bank, and this is the only bank I can find. But we got some money for us. All the gondolas, and this is walking back down Diagon Alley to the restaurant. Water Express. Now we're off to Islands of Adventure, but hopefully it won't be raining. Back to this platform. Let's hope he gets us there safely. I'll tell you something, King's Cross is busy tonight. Very busy. King's Cross Station. Very busy. It's absolutely pouring down. Here's the Lee. Is this Hogsmeade? Was this? Is Lee Hogsmeade? For the last time as the head of Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. It is pouring down. We'd like to say goodbye. Look at that. Brilliant view. Nipping on the rain. The buildings look lovely. Anyway, bye bye Hogsmeade. As Tim and Jen Tracker always say, it always rains in Florida. And I'll tell you something for nothing. They're not wrong. Heading away from Universal for the last time after I think we've been 3 or 4 times in the last couple of weeks, and the weather today, especially the last hour, has been awful, but we've had a great time and all the new things here, and we'll cover them all on the vlogs when we get home. But thank you to Universal for a great holiday. Anybody for Crazy Golf? Crazy Golf, anybody? No one wants to play Crazy Golf.